Hi children, welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, I am Swati, your IT teacher. In our last class, we have discussed about certain features of Windows 7. So children, did you read the textbook? Okay, good. And today, let us discuss about some more features of Windows 7. Another feature of Windows 7 is files and folders. So children, what are files and folders? Whatever data we entered into the computer, it is stored in the form of files and folders. So let us discuss about file first. So file, what is a file? It is collection of information stored in our computer. For example, as we keep important papers in a file, like in the computer system, we store our data or information in the form of a file. So each file is given a file name too while saving. So when you work on a program like Word file, Notepad file or Paint, whatever it is, actually you are creating a document, and after completing your work, you can save it, and that document is a file. Okay children, so the definition of file is it is a collection of information stored in any format on any storage devices like hard disk drive, pen drive or CD. The next one is folder. It is a way of organizing file. So as we keep our files in a file cabinet. So children, let us assume the folder as a file cabinet. So it is the cabinet in which we store our files. So a folder is like a file cabinet and it is used to keep important files. Or another example is like you keep all your shoes or sandals on a shoe rack. Like that, we have to organize all the files in a folder. So that is how folder works. And here you can see empty folder icons in which there will be no files and folders with files. Let's see how can we create a folder. Right click anywhere on the desktop background so that the context menu will pop up. Then select the new option. Then click on the folder option. Icon of a folder will appear and its name will be new folder. You can change its name by typing whatever name you want. Let's see how can we open a folder. Here you can see so many folders. The folder which I have created, that is new, and other folders too. So how to open a folder? So first we have to right click on the folder, then context menu will appear. Then from that click on the open. So our folder will open and it is empty folder. There is no file in it. Let's create a file now. So we are going to create a Word file. So first click on the start button. Then click on all programs and there you can see so many programs, and from that select Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office programs will be there and we can select Microsoft Office Word 2007 and the window will open, the Word window, and there you can type your text. You can type whatever you want. So I am typing I love my country. So after typing we have to save this file. So how will we save this file? Look, there is a office button at the left top corner. It is used to create, print or save the file. From that click on the save option so that the save as window will appear. And a file name, yes, you have to type a file name there, and I typed India. That's the name of my file. And choose desktop. that is where we are saving that file. And I chose desktop and the folder, that is the new folder that we have created. New folder, and there is where we are saving our file India. Then we are opening the folder, so it is empty now, and we are going to save our file in that folder. So let's close this window and check whether it is there. So we are opening our folder new. So yes, when we open it, yes, it is there. Yes, the created file India, it is there in the folder. And this is how we are saving a file in a folder. You can open it by double clicking on the folder. Next is how can we rename a folder. So right click on the folder. So context menu will come, and from that click on the rename option and change the name of the folder. I am renaming it to my country. You can change the file name. So open the folder and select the file. Click on rename option and rename it to whatever name you want. Here I am renaming it to country. Next is how can we delete a file and folder. So select the folder, then context menu will appear, then select delete option. So a dialog box will appear. From that you can select yes. So it will go to the recycle bin. So recycle bin is a space where all the deleted files and folders are stored. So click on yes and close the window. And if you want to delete the file, select the file and select delete option, then select yes. So after selecting yes, you can close the window. Then it also goes to the recycle bin. Next is how can we restore this file and folder. So when we delete this file and folder, it does not mean that you cannot get it back. We can bring the deleted file or folder back from the recycle bin. Select the recycle bin. So from there we can select the file that we want to restore. So which is that file? Yes, first we can restore our file, that is country.docs. It is a Word file, and right click on that file and then click on restore. Like that we can also restore our folder, and our file will be automatically restored to the original destination. Even if you want to paste this file to somewhere, click on the folder and then select cut option and paste this folder into the desired location. So I pasted this folder into local disk E. And if you want to repaste or paste here itself in the desktop, you can open that local disk E. So right click on the folder, then select cut option, then paste it here itself on the desktop. This is how you can move your file or folder to different places. Children, today we have learned how to create, save, delete, rename and restore file and folder. So what you have to do, you practice it on your system so that it will be more clear to you. Okay children, so let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.